As you can see, we have a nice, beautiful slope trending upwards here, which is great. My agent is making money. That's how you agentically trade in today's day and age. Hey everyone, Steven here, product manager at Codex, and today I want to tell you how I trade agentically and how you can do it too very easily using Codex. It's very easy to set up a Codex agent. When you create an account, you're asked to create an agent, and you can start quite simply just by using a template. We give you a few templates to start with. Regime Switcher is probably the best template to start with because it's very versatile. It detects regimes and then trades or doesn't trade based on them. There are a few others as well. Just click on it, create an agent, and that's about it. And then when you go back to your agent, this is what you're going to see. After that, it's quite easy to fund it. Just send some money to your wallet address on Arbitrum, $1 or $2 of ETH for gas, just to transfer from Arbitrum to Hyperliquid, and then just buy some credits. Quite easy, $10 using your wallet. Or if you don't have a connected wallet, whatever you send to Hyperliquid, you can actually use your Hyperliquid margin account to buy credits. After that, your agent will trade by itself. You don't have to do anything literally. You can just let it be and come in and check what's going on. That's literally my daily routine as well. I come in, I see my chat, I see a bunch of messages, and this is everything coming from my automations, right? I have a few automations running, which are in here. They're all automations or goals, as we're calling them, to trade hype and just to long it. And there's a position monitoring automation as well. So the agent literally does everything for you. So I come into my chat, I see what was going on. I see that 1 hour ago, one of the automations ran and then it aborted the long, and it tells me exactly why. So everything looks good, but the EMA 12 and EMA 26 crossover on the 15-minute mark, it's not great. And the 1 hour trend is not great as well. Before that, it skipped pyramiding in a position that I probably had before. So that's one way to check what happened. You can also go into your summary to see what's going on with your agent. As you can see, we have a nice, beautiful slope trending upwards here, which is great. My agent is making money. History of trades as well, and you can go into your notifications. So if I see here my hype momentum position manager notification, I'll open it up to see what happened. There we go. We had a position open, but there was no stop loss and take profit, and I know why. I literally opened the position myself yesterday. I was testing different LLM models, and I opened a manual position, and the position monitoring agent caught that, and it actually added a take profit and a stop loss, which is awesome. This is all according to my hype momentum strategy, right? And as I can see in the history, the take profit was hit. It placed a very good take profit. That's one way to check what happened from your notifications. Another one is just to go into your automations and go through your runs manually. As you can see, click on them. This was my last one. And yeah, this is a very good way to debug what's going on with your agent. You can literally see all the logs from all the automation runs and check how your agent is performing. Third way to do it is go to your journal. As you know, your agent is journaling everything. There we go. So it placed a long. This is the position protected one that we had from before. As you can see, this is where it added a take profit and stop loss. So your agent is journaling everything, and you can go through it systematically. And as a last thing I'm going to show you guys is I'm just going to ask the agent for setup. Hey, how's hype doing? Is there a potential setup right now? And wait for an answer. And there we go. It tells me that hype is looking interesting, dropped a little bit. I can either tell it to execute them. Yep. Think works better. There we go. It just asks me to approve this transaction. And it looks like it's live. Went with a breakout setup. There we go. We're risking only 2%. Here's the position. We've got take profit, stop loss, everything's already set up, and it will keep an eye on it. And yeah, that's how you agentically trade in today's day and age. And if you want to learn more, just follow me or follow Codex, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.